GCSE Maths. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about vectors. Vectors and scalars. Vectors have a magnitude, size, and a direction. Vectors can be represented in several ways. Column vector, diagram, endpoints. The top number is the x component. A negative number means moving to the left and a positive number means to the right. The bottom number is the y component. A negative number means moving down, whereas a positive number means moving up. Vectors can be drawn. Vector A shows that from A to B there are 4 units to the right and 4 units up. Vectors can be written using their endpoints. The vector AB represents the vector from point A to B. Vectors can be written in bold. The vectors AB if the vector from A to B and BA is the vector from B to A. These vectors have the same magnitude but they are in the opposite direction. For vectors to be equal, they only have to have the same magnitude and direction. They do not have to have the same start and end point. There are no points given, so you can start anywhere. The important part is that the line must go across 2 units and up 7. A scalar is a number that has a magnitude but no direction. Vectors can be multiplied by scalars. The new vector will be parallel to the old vector. When adding or subtracting vectors, the sum of the vectors is called the resultant vector. When adding vectors, it doesn't matter which vector you do first, but when subtracting, the order is important. When adding two vectors, make sure you add the x component and the y component separately. When subtracting two vectors, make sure you add the x component and the y component separately.